3 do's and don'ts of wearing glasses. Do take your glasses out of the case by the frame itself, being careful not to touch the lenses. Your glasses should fit comfortably in its glasses case without any pulling or tugging. Always take the glasses off from both sides and place them directly back in the case. This next one we're all guilty of. Don't take your glasses off by one side or slide them up to hold your hair back. Do clean your glasses with a cleaning cloth. They work better, they're safer, and you can always store them in the case. So much better. Don't clean your glasses with your shirt. I know, I was guilty of this before too. Next, do always update your eye exam. It's important to get your eye exam updated every 1 to 2 years as your eyes are always changing. You'll receive new lenses that are perfectly suited to your eye prescription. So much better. Don't wait several years to update your eye prescription. And doing so nowadays is so much easier. You don't have to deal with that dreaded puff of wind that we all resent. You'll be left with a prescription adjusted perfectly for you, so you won't be having to squint to see everything. What are your bad habits, or what are your good ones? Comment them down below. Bye!